Mobilization. Mobilization in construction refers to the preparatory phase at the beginning of a construction project where all necessary resources, labor, equipment, materials, and logistics are organized, transported, and set up at the job site. It marks the transition from planning to physical execution. Key components of mobilization: site access and preparation, clearing and securing the site, setting up temporary fencing, signage, and access roads, establishing environmental controls, e.g., erosion and sediment control, transportation of equipment and materials, delivering construction equipment, e.g., excavators, concrete mixers, transporting materials needed for early stages, e.g., gravel, formwork, scaffolding, setup of temporary facilities, construction offices and site accommodations, sanitary facilities, portable toilets, wash stations, storage areas and laydown yards, permits and regulatory compliance, securing required permits and documentation, ensuring health, safety, and environmental regulations are in place. Manpower deployment, assigning crew and supervisory staff to the site, conducting site orientation and safety briefings, utility connections if needed, temporary power, water, and communication lines, initial surveys and layout, setting up benchmarks and control points, verifying dimensions and site boundaries. Purpose of mobilization. The goal of mobilization is to create a functional and safe working environment that allows the construction work to begin efficiently and without delays. It ensures all logistical, regulatory, and operational requirements are addressed before the actual building activities start. Typical cost and time frame. Mobilization is usually a line item in the project budget and is often expressed as a percentage of the total project cost, commonly around 1 to 5%. The duration depends on the project's size and complexity but typically ranges from a few days to several weeks. That's all for now. We hope to see you on our next video for the continuation of this project. Please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you will be notified of our latest uploaded videos, and also you can follow the progress of each units we will build. Thank you for watching.